Yo, what's up guys? This is Mr. Creating Update. You get my point. So guys, in today's video I want to be teaching you guys the use of graph tools. Now most of you don't even understand what I'm talking about. Now the graph tool, look at this particular logo here. Now this is the graph tool. You must have been seeing it and you don't know what it's meant for, and you just overlook. You get my point. Now I am here, I'm going to break it down so you will understand it very well. Now the graph tool allows you to control the speed, understand, and the movement of an object in any video you are editing. You understand? So now you need to start using the graph tools. So I don't want to waste much time on this because I'm going to break it down. All you need to do is, if you are coming across my video, this particular video for the first time, and you've not subscribed to this channel, guys, please do well to hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on that notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop another amazing video editing update like this. You get my point? And if you're my old subscribers, thank you so much for holding on to this channel. Please do well to hit the like button. You know we need to grow. So without wasting much time, let's dive in for the tutorial. Let's go there.
Alright, so I will click on new project and import a plain background. You get my point? So here is the background. So I have to change the aspect ratio to landscape. So I'll bring it to 16:9. This is a YouTube aspect ratio. You get my point? So I'll leave it right here. So as you can see, it's just an image. So you can tap on the image layer. Understand? You know, once you bring in an image here to CapCut, it is automatically a video. So I will extend it to 10 seconds because I want to use it this 10 seconds. So now you place your finger on your screen to drag it to make sure it covers the whole screen. You get my point? So now the next thing I want to do now is to bring in a picture of a car. You get my point? So I'll click on overlay, click on add overlay. So now here is the image here, a picture of a car, like I said. So look at it right here. So what we are going to do now is we have to drag it to the length of the first image. Now this is the length of the video is 10 seconds. You get my point? So we have to remove the background first. So go to remove BG, click on chroma key, move this circle to where it shows green. You get my point? So you can leave it right there. Understand? We still have the green color around, but don't worry. So from this point, we are going to go to adjust. Now you click on adjust right here. Then you go to HSL. Now when you go to HSL, you click on green, tap on green. Now reduce the saturation to -100. I believe you are following. So now tap on OK. So as you can see, we have the car is ready right now. So it's left for you to use your finger to position it where you want it to be, but I'll make it a little bit small. So position it somewhere here, drag it here, just as if let it be the way you see right now. You get my point? So guys, if you are coming across my video for the first time, please do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell by the side of that subscribe button, and make sure you like this video so that YouTube will be able to push it out to a large number of people on this platform. You get my point? You know we need to grow. So now what you are going to do right here is, before you are able to apply graph on any video, yes, you'll have to first of all apply keyframes. Now we understand graph as something about the speed, the movement of the video or a picture. Understand? Now you must apply depending on where you want the graph to take place. You get my point? I want my own to start from the beginning. So what you're going to do right here is you add keyframe at the beginning of the layer. Now this car layer right here, we're going to add keyframe at the beginning. Now what you're going to do, you move to the end of the video. Now you drag this car image towards the end of this video. So I'm going to make my own stop here. I will not drag it, I will not just make it disappear. So it will be somewhere just like what you see. Now if you play this video now, we've added keyframe at the beginning and also added keyframe at the end. So if you play the video now, it's just going to go like that straight. There is no movement, no obstruction, no zigzag movement at all. You get my point? It's just a plain movement. You get my point? It's not slow, it's not fast. So I just want to make sure before the end of this video you are able to understand the use of graph. And now from this place here, you tap on the layer. If you want to apply graph, now look at this, the graph option here. You can see the graph option, this thing that looks like an upside down telephone with an L shape here. Look at it here. So from here you can tap on the graph button. So now this linear graph here is in this linear graph here is just like the first one that just played. You get my point? Let me show you. It's just like the first one that played. No change, nothing is happening to it. It's just like you clicking on none. Yes, it's not going to change anything. Now if you go to this ease in, you see the way the movement, understand? It looks as if it's going slow then coming to be fast a bit, but not too fast. But if you take your time, you will notice what I'm talking about. You get my point? It's just like this ease in, quad in, because all of them are almost in the same form. Understand? Oh, they are almost in the same form. Now this quad in, it starts slowly and then move fast a bit. You won't really notice it. You get my point? Just like this cubic in. Now we see this ease out. See, let's go to this ease out because it's another different shape. Now if you click on this ease out, you see the movement now. You get my point? It goes fast a bit. Now towards the end of it, it goes very slow. Now, like I told you, graph is all about the movement of an object in between two keyframes. You get my point? Now the speed of an object in between two keyframes. So as you can see, this is out the movement. And if you want to, I don't want to go to this quad out, cubic out. Now let's go to this ease, the main ease. Now if you click on ease, you see the movement. Now it starts a little bit fast, and towards the end it goes slow. You get my point? And the differences are just very small. You get my point? That's why I'm leaving all this cubic out and quad out, because they are almost the same. So if you go to quad ease, it's almost the same thing. Understand? It starts slowly, move fast, then it will go slow again at the end. You understand? It moves, it starts slow, move and goes fast, then goes slow again. So now let's leave all these ones here. Now let's go to rebound. Let's go to rebound. Now if you come to rebound, you see as it is now, it moves backward. It's just moving backward, then it comes out again. You get my point? Now rebound, that's rebound 1. It moves backward as if it's reversing, then it drives forward again. So if you go to this rebound 0, as you can see the way it is. It moves faster, then goes slow to the end, then reverse a little. Understand? To pack well. Now with this you can create so many videos with all this graph. I'm trying to explain them so that you can use them in any of your videos. You get my point? Now look at this flow 1. Now this flow 1 just jump in very fast and reverse. It will still go front again with speed, then towards the end it slows down. You get my point? So that is how flow 1 is. And you go to flow 2, it's just moving a bit. You get my point? And slow, very slow, then it moves again. Towards the end it goes with speed. So guys, I don't want this video to be very long. Now look at this flow 3. Let me just show you flow 3. Now look at the float clip. It's just jumping immediately and waits a bit and move very slow. They move with speed a little, then still go slow a bit, then move with speed and moves around. You get my point? Now let's go to bounce. Let's go to bounce. Now look at this bounce. See the way the car is. It moves, it goes back, moves front, like something that is jerking. You get my point? So look at the way it is. Now okay, let's try bounce too. It goes to the end and come back to the beginning, goes to the end and come back towards close to the beginning, and then at the end it will just go straight and stop. You get my point? So these are the type of graphs we have. Many people don't use it when they are making videos, understand? So I just had to take my time to apply them to teach you so that you understand the movement of graph, so you can use it when you are making your video. See the way this one is bounced. 3 is just swinging front and back to the end of the video. You get my point? So if you are getting value from this video, please do well to hit the like button and comment what you think about this video. Am I able to explain to your understanding? Just let me know, or just tell me something about this video. You get my point? Now look at this one. This bounce 4 is just jerking at the beginning, then it will just fly out and go. Understand? So this bounce 5, you should know that it will be jerking at the beginning, then it will move, then towards the end it will jerk again. So let's hit on this bounce 5 to see what I'm talking about. You see, it's jerking at the beginning, then it will move towards the end, it will jerk. So you see what I'm talking about. So lastly, this one right here. So it will just move slowly, and towards the end it's gonna jerk. So you see. So guys, that is just it about this. It's not something difficult to understand. It's left for you to start applying it on your videos, and you see differences when you are applying graph. And make sure, like I told you, graph can only be applied when you have keyframes. You get my point? You can't apply graphs when there is no keyframe, and you must be 2 or more keyframe. You get my point? So that's just it, guys. So I believe you understand all I'm saying in this video, and you'll be able to apply them. So tell me something about this video in the comment section. So like and share this video, comment. I don't want to waste much time. So see you in our next video.